Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Gaurav with me, 8 each in his PT exam. Congratulations, Gaurav. Very
Thank
well
you.
done.
Yeah.
I've personally known you for last 7 to 8 months and I've really seen you putting a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication. You used to sit here with me even till 9:30, I remember.
Yeah.
Very first day I knew that you're going to do it, but we were just missing by 2, 3, 4 points every time, right? A few unsuccessful attempts. What do you take out of your journey? I don't really want to focus a lot on what is important for PT and what not. The game, what is important is that how to keep yourself mentally tough. That is important, right? It's not, yes, I have seen you practicing, but practice is not the only thing, right? When you miss by 2, 3 points, it means that yes, you're working hard. But what you used to tell yourself when you used to miss by 1 or 2 points?
I think first of all, thanks to Varun and like entire team like who helped me to achieve this. And yeah, definitely practice is not the main thing. Yeah, definitely it is one of the factor. But in spite of that, you need support and you need some guidance because after if you fail like 1 or 2 marks, you lose your hope. But you need to be dedicated. Like you want to achieve something, so you have to keep your mentally strong. You have to be mentally strong and keep on focusing. Like it's fine. Like I'll give you another try. So that was one of the motive for me to keep on trying. And also like it was one of the thing I would like to say is like it's like you too, you need to keep on practicing and keep on taking mock exams, and so that wherever you're lagging and because you guys are here, you can support us. And also one of the factor is the tricks, like how you go with the PT, because I understood that like it's not all about the English or grammar. You need to have strategy and practice. That's which is the main factor. Yeah.
That's right. So guys, one thing, whenever you miss out your exam, you miss by 1 or 2 points, you need to tell yourself it's fine. It's not that you're just telling you it's fine and you're booking another exam. You need to tell yourself that's fine if I missed it. Next time I will go, but I won't repeat the same mistakes. You need to sit, you need to analyze all your mistakes, why you have missed out in that particular section, work on it, and when you go for the next exam, you need to make sure you do not repeat the same mistakes again. If you do that, if you analyze before your next attempt and keep yourself very positive, your state of mind should be positive. It's not like you're frustrated and you're going for the exam. I used to see a smile on your face every time, I remember. I'll be very honest. At time I was a bit upset, but you used to smile. And that is one thing which I believe kept you going on. Very, very important. You tell your subconscious mind that yes, that's fine. I missed it, but next time I'll go. I won't repeat the same mistakes and I'll get the score. You have taken a number of mock tests. You were regular to the lab sessions. What do you think? Why lab sessions are important as compared to practicing at home?
Yeah, because at home we feel like a bit like secure. No, it's fine. I can take I can I can take 5 minutes and then I'll continue. But when you go for the mock exam in the lab, especially you are focused and everyone is also trying. It's like a same environment what we get in like a PT exam center. So it helps a lot and to create that situation so that it is again easy for us to attempt the actual exam. Yeah.
So basically you're focused, and when you see people around you studying, you're motivated to study as well.
Yeah.
Because at home you are distracted, you have your friends, you have your mobile phone, you get a notification and then everything goes off. Very important guys, you have the real exam like environment where you are self motivated and you practice in the same environment which you'll have in the exam, which will make things very, very comfortable for you. Any final piece of advice for students out there missing by 2, 3 points? They've just given up, right? They think they can't do it. It's not something which is going to happen. Any advice for them, please?
I think one other thing like don't go like every time, like even if you are missing 1 or 2, just get your strategy right and get some guidance, because it is one of the main thing. Otherwise, if we keep on practice ourselves, and we might not get actually where we are lagging. So I think we need some support and these strategies to make it, because it might take 10 attempts, but if you get the correct guidance and strategy, you might clear in the next attempt.
That's right. So basically right direction is very important. A lot of time what happens when you miss by 1 or 2 points, you think, yeah, that's fine, I've just missed by 1 or 2 points, but you're not really sure what mistake you have made. Very, very important. You know what mistakes you're making, why you are not getting the desired score. and based on that improve each and everything. Make sure everything is in place and you have the right strategies, and after that you go for your next attempt. Before you go for the exam, make sure you take number of mock tests. If you're getting the score in the mock test, go and sit for the exam and you are going to get like he has got his desired score. That's it from this video, guys. Congratulations once again.
Thank you so much.
All the very best. Guys, make sure you do not give up even if you're missing by 1 or 2 points. If he has done it, I have done it, you can do it as well. But you need to have the right direction, right strategies, and make sure you are in the right environment. Thank you, guys. I'll see you very soon.